the Louvre. I can't wait. I'm so excited. As you guys know how much I love art and culture, so I'm very, very excited. So off we go to the Louvre. Here we are on our way to the Louvre. It is -3 this morning. Hey ho, got a wrap up. I'm so wrapped up. Look at my hat. I'm so wrapped up and nice and warm, even though it's -3, but hey ho. This is why I love this city. Look at it. Traffic as always. Most major cities usually have a lot of traffic. I've actually sat right here before. This cafe is lovely. Look at these little streets. Just have a look. Little taxis. Honestly. Are they arguing? No. Having a conversation. You know when people speak in 2 different languages, you always think that they're arguing. Not necessarily are they arguing. They could just be having a chit chat. It is so cold. The one thing about me, even no matter how cold I get, I never wear gloves. I should really wear gloves. But yeah, see you guys in the Louvre. Come to the Louvre. How beautiful is this building? Got all these like amazing shops, clothes shops. Absolutely fantastic. Anyway, this is one of my favourite stores, Marge. They do clothes for little people. Look at that skirt. Look at the ceiling. Wow. And they've got curtains to prevent the paintings from getting ruined or sunlight destroying the paintings. Absolutely amazing. I was here and I saw the Mona Lisa, but your girl is not queuing this much. And you gotta be there for like literally 10 to 30 seconds. But yeah, that's it, guys. We came, we saw the Mona Lisa. I'm not too sure what this is, but look how big this is. And if you look at the detailing of the painting, and it's actually quite multicultural if you look at it. Is that Jesus? Is that Jesus in the middle? Comment down below, tell me if you think that is Jesus. I think that's Jesus, you know. Look how beautiful this looks. And that is it, guys. I came, I saw, I went into the Louvre, I saw the Mona Lisa, and now I'm about to go and have something to eat. So stay tuned. And we're not gonna have yesterday's dinner was 10/10, absolutely fantastic, incredible, amazing. So now I'm gonna go. It's still extremely cold, as you guys can see. We move. Let's go. We've got some Leonese potatoes. We've got some tuna here. Just look how lovely it is. Look at the size of this lobster. I don't think it's real, but look how big it is. And they've got all these fresh fishes in the bag. You've got crab, you've got oysters, you've got everything, you've got fresh prawn. How lovely is this? Good morning. So this is the breakfast bit. Got some yogurt, some plates here. Got some hams and cheeses, some salmon, a fruit salad bowl. We've got a lovely toaster, some bread, some fresh fruit, and we've also got some oranges and some cereals. I personally have not been doing so well with breakfast, but I'm trying. And today we're going to go and see an old church. We're going to go and see the Sacre-Cœur, and I'm looking forward to it. So stay tuned. Wow, look at this. Amazing. Look at the view. We're going to go into this beautiful church up here. Loads of steps to go through. We've got these padlocks where people come and they put their names and stuff, and then it's like a padlock of love. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And this is the